It's video time. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Tipping on 3 back again with another one ski. And on this one, we gonna talk about my plaque mounts, how I build them. I've got asked a couple times, how did I mount my plaque? What did I do? What I got going on? And I'm going to show y'all. So let's start with, I built these custom plaque mounts. Everything is totally adjustable. Nobody likes a crooked plaque or a leaning plaque or anything. So everything's totally adjustable down to the actual mount itself. So everything can be unscrewed or loosened up, shifted down, the level on top of that. Just make sure you're right where you need to be. Okay, so let's go right here from the back of the trunk. So you would reach back here, and I got those two knobs right there. I would loosen those up, and I get my adjustment on there. But it's also good for, not saying that I would, but like if I ever, took the plaque down or anything or whatever, I don't have to rip this seat out to do that. You know what I mean? Or if I, get out with some custom stuff, whatever, I don't gotta, take this out to unbolt it from the back or anything and whatever. I literally just unscrew that, take the plaque off, those mounts stay there, and then boom. If I got another plaque, throw it on, whatever. So that's how I got my plaque mounted. I'm a perfectionist, so I like to, make it look, try to look as clean as possible, make sure it's level. I was like, man, what can I come up with? And that's what I came up with. And actually, you don't even notice it from the back, for real. It's not that bad. I'll show you. So that's how you would actually see it from the back. But if you look, see I got those two knobs right there. That's what you wouldn't even see that unless you walked up on the car. But from the back, that's how you would see that. So yeah, those are custom plaque mounts that I made. I guess if you're interested, let me know. Maybe I'll make them, get them on sale, whatever. Get them on for sale, whatever. I don't know, whatever you want to do. But that's how I got mine mounted. But what I got going on there is I'm running some new 9-line wire. OG trick. I'm not running that small stuff anymore. This is 3 extension cord. Well, a big extension cord cut up 3 times. Made my own custom one. Get more power going through and hitting that switch. So that's what I got going on here today. But yeah, that's how my plaques mounted. Hit me up. If you need some help, I'm always down to help everybody. But before I go, you already know what I'm going to say. Make sure you go check out the Tipping on 3 website for your latest merchandise, for all your Lowrider gear. I just put hoses on there also. I got a sale going on. The whites and gray shirts got to go. They need some love too. So you can see the sale that's on there. I knocked the price down on those. So go ahead, get you one of those. And yeah, so we're out. I'm going to get back to this car. Peace.